Transcorp Hotels has concluded its 2022 financial matters with the shareholders meeting held 2 days ago, in which the robust earnings of 134.3% net profit was presented and a cash dividend of 13 kobo was approved. Dupe Olusola is the managing director and CEO of Transcorp Hotels, and she's here for a little bit of facts behind the figures chit-chat. Good evening. Great to have you here, madam. Good evening. Thanks for coming through.
Good evening. Thank you, Bozen. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Hi, Bozen. Thank you for having me.
Yes, we'll get together again, this time virtually speaking, by the way, not here in the studios. We'd love to have you here. But tell me about how you led Transcorp Hotels to a 2-year back-to-back profitability coming out of the pandemic and all that you took now from the world of tourism, leisure, and hospitality, not just globally, but also in Nigeria.
Yes, thank you very much, Bozen. I mean, it's really fantastic results from us, and it's really from shared determination, commitment with my team, the support of the management and board to ensure that we can really achieve these numbers. As you recall, from 2021, the pandemic, we were actually reporting quite significant losses. But, you know, we really had to go back to the drawing board. We decided that it was not business as usual. We had to be innovative. We had to invest in technology, and we really had to step outside of the box to, you know, to invest in everything, you know, diversifying the business segments that we have, enriching it with leisure, with the introduction of leisure, offering different experiences to all of our guests. We actually just expanded beyond international business travelers. And it's been a lot of hard work. But honestly, I'm so happy that we're here because it hasn't been an easy road at all. But the team have been so committed and so consistent in ensuring that we're constantly innovating and introducing new things. The support of my parent company, of the group as a whole, and also our board and management as well. We're just very focused on ensuring that we lead, you know, and we lead consistently, and you know, beyond figures is really now about for us to sustain it as well, ensure that we're doing so much more in the years to come. And I'm so happy you talked about the dividend as well.
Let's talk about the key. Yes, let's talk about the key financial ratios a little bit. How you achieve 46.8% in terms of revenue growth, other income in about 6.6%, and 134.3% profit jump.
We kept our eyes on the bottom line. One, we were so focused on driving revenue, but not losing sight of actually delivering exceptional customer experience, you know, to all of our guests. So we didn't compromise on delivering that. It was really just about, you know, innovation, offering new value, offering new amenities, offering new experiences. All of our outlets across the hotel was key. You know, it wasn't really just about the rooms. It was one, when our guests come in, what is the experience you sell to them? What is the added value? And just constant innovation from every single outlet across the hotel. And this was key. We were very focused on ensuring that we kept an eye also on our costs and just ran the business efficiently. I mean, imagine delivering Naira to 31.4 billion in terms of revenue, and again 172% of our PBT in terms of increase. We came from 1.7 billion to 4.5, and this obviously resulted in being able to you know, reward our shareholders for their commitment, for their diligence, and for their belief in us. Last year we did 716 million. That was what we paid in dividends at 7 kobo. This year we did 13 kobo, 1.3 billion. You know, paying our shareholders. You can imagine what the AGM felt like. You know, everyone was in smiles. All the shareholders were, you know, quite happy. Imagine going to your bank and seeing the return for your investment and your belief in the shares of Transcorp Hotels. So, you know, our staff is happy. Everyone is happy. All our stakeholders.
I'm looking at competition right now. I'm sure you're top in the industry, so I'm sure you know some competition is coming very strong, especially in Abuja, Nigeria's political capital. How are you handling that? What are some of the major hurdles you're looking at in the business sector, hospitality, tourism, and leisure?
You know, the first thing I must say, Bozen, is that we compete first with ourselves beyond the external competition. So yes, we look at what is happening in the industry. We look locally at beyond that we actually compete first with ourselves. We always want to up our game. We always want to improve from where we're coming from. So with our partners, Hilton International, they're global leading hospitality firm. And so we do not compromise on standards. Our brand standards are really important. From our guest amenities, from the entire experience you feel when you come into the hotel, this is key. So we see competition coming, but we are always front runners. We won several awards this year that continue to show that, we do not compromise on everything that we do. So, we're constantly innovating. We're constantly investing in technology. Also, we invest significantly in our staff as well. One thing you will always hear from our customer feedback is your staff are always so welcoming.
So
they're always so engaging, always wanting to help with a smile.
I want to ask
so we don't.
Yes. I want to ask very briefly, due to time, your plans. What's your plan? What's the big plan? Tell me, what new projects are you doing? Of course, I'm sure you tabled quite a number of issues before the shareholders on Monday. Was divestment part of it? What did you tell them? What's the future? Give me some outlook.
For sure. So first thing, we started off with an asset-light strategy. Or by Transcorp Hotels, which is our hospitality platform business, because what we want to do is, we want to continue to adapt and adopt our strategy. So on our platform, we have over 5,000 listings, which is hotel accommodation, apartments, and experiences across 30 states in Nigeria. So that is key. The next thing I can see some figures and pictures coming up is our event center. This is one I'm so excited about. It's a 3,500 to 5,000 capacity event center that will be launched in first quarter next year. This is actually to be located in Abuja. And of course, we want to continue to expand our footprints. We're expanding to Lagos, Ikoyi, Glover. And this is going to be phenomenal, a 5-star hotel as well that offers accommodation, event space, restaurants, health and fitness, everything. We recently just launched our spa as well, a 5-star spa at the hotel over the weekend. So there's so much more coming. We want to continue to deepen our hold, being the leading and the foremost and first hospital, and expand beyond Nigeria to Africa as well. Our platform actually allows us to do that very quickly, and we're seeing the rewards, obviously, from what we've invested. So there's so much to come, and Bosun, I'm hoping that you're definitely a shareholder in Transcorp Hotels, so that you can also smile to the bank as well as you receive your dividend that we've just recently paid.
Well, I'm sure your shareholders, so be Transcorp as a group, and of course the Ministry of Finance Incorporated, the big shareholders, and of course minority shareholders looking at the numbers you deliver. Thank you so much, the market, reflecting on that. Thank you so much for this conversation, and congratulations on your 3rd anniversary as the Managing Director and CEO at Transcorp Hotels PLC. All the best. Have a great evening, Mudupe.
Thank you.